Number 1. Google Pixel 8. Craving the best Android experience? The Google Pixel 8 delivers a seamless and elegant interface that just works. Besides the aesthetics, it now boasts 7 years of Android updates, making it a long-term investment. What makes the Pixel 8 shine? Its cameras, undoubtedly. Though you can opt for the cheaper Pixel 8a, the Pixel 8's superior cameras will make you rethink. Worth every penny for those jaw-dropping photos and videos. Google's AI features elevate this phone above competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S24. Particularly, voice and language model features excel, enhancing apps like Pixel Recorder, Gmail, and Messages. These features ensure you're always a step ahead in productivity and communication. Running your favorite launcher remains an option if customization is your thing. Still, Google's streamlined interface ensures speed without sacrificing essential features. No longer bogged down by excessive options, it provides the perfect balance of simplicity and functionality. Photo editing with the Pixel 8 sets a new standard. The software even lets you edit non-pixel photos, turning any snapshot into a masterpiece. Imagine sprucing up that old vacation pic effortlessly. Not everything is perfect though. While you get excellent value, some may find the minimalist interface lacks certain customization bells and whistles, but is that a deal breaker? Not when everything else performs this well. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 8 stands out as the best Android phone for most, thanks to its stunning camera, stellar AI features, and exceptional software experience. Ready to elevate your smartphone game? Check out this beastly device and see for yourself. That's a wrap.